Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am 5678 and today we're going to be doing something a little different. So I have been wanting the Samsung frame TV for a while now, but it's like crazy expensive. Okay, this is the TV right here. And the interesting thing about this TV is that it looks like a painting, like it looks like a piece of art. And I feel like because I don't really care for like TVs and stuff like that, I felt like I would really enjoy that aesthetic. So I wanted it until I looked at the price. I still wanted it, but not at that price. I think it's really hard for me to spend that amount of money on something that I just want to like look at this point in my life. Give me like a year or so, I think I'll be cool with spending, like dropping like $1,000 on something just because it looks nice. All right, so anyways, I was on TikTok and I saw that this girl put washi tape on her TV screen to make, you know, to give it like the frame illusion. So I decided that I wanted to do that. And plus I've been trying to like figure out what I'm gonna do with my living room space to kind of make it look more me, more homey, more just aesthetically pleasing. So all right, let me show y'all. This is what I did. And I filmed the whole thing. So y'all tell me what y'all think. And yeah, take a look at it. Okay, guys. So I purchased 2 cans of metallic spray paint in gold from Walmart. And that's the washi tape. The washi tape was like $3. And I want to say the paint was maybe like $4 or $5. This is my TV and my dusty TV stand. Don't worry, it's cool. So anyways, the first thing I did was being fast because I was super excited to just see how this looks. I got the washi tape and I, you know, started putting it around the frame part of the TV. It was actually harder than what I thought it was going to be, but I just kept at it and pretty much just putting the gold around the TV. My thing was that knowing that it's a DIY project, I didn't want it to look like a DIY project, if that makes sense. Like, I don't want you to look at my TV and say, oh, it looks like she just put tape on it. I want you to look at it and say like, oh, that's really nice. Where did you get your TV? And then I say, oh, it's just a regular TV and I put washi tape on it. Like that. Like, you don't want it to look like you did it yourself. So that was my whole thing. So I just pretty much just kept, you know, going at it and till it looked the way that I wanted it to look. And I also put a little bit of it on the actual TV screen because my TV's frame is really thin and I wanted the gold to kind of stick out a little bit. Like I wanted it to be noticeable. I didn't want it to be super thin because I feel like that'll defeat the purpose of it looking like there's a frame around it. So anyways, I did that. And then being impatient, I immediately wanted to see how it looked. And y'all, I love it. Like, look at this. I'm with it already. So to get this on there, I just went to YouTube and searched like paintings for the frame TV. And this is what came up. And I'm really feeling it. And please ignore me in this video. I wasn't looking my cutest, but anyways, I love it, and I feel like it looks like, you know, a painting. But like I said, with that tape, I had to keep like straightening it out until it looked clean, neat, and not like I just put tape on my TV screen. So anyways, the next thing that I needed to do to this is I wanted to spray paint the legs on the TV gold because, you know, we're not gonna do a half ass job. Like, we're gonna knock it out. So that was super easy. I just got a screwdriver and unscrewed the legs and then I just spray painted them. This is that process. I'm showing it because, like, ladies, we're able to do this. We are able to do this. And it was pretty simple to get them off and put them back on as well. I just kind of wanted to show you guys the entire process. And I also want to spray paint the legs on the TV stand gold as well, because they're silver and gray and I just feel like it clashes. I want to spray paint the legs with the little circle cylinders as well, but I don't think I'll be able to get it. So I got the tape and I covered up the black as best as I could while holding this camera. And yeah, so I did that. And then I was debating on if I was going to spray it inside or not. And I decided to do it on the patio. And here I am spraying the legs. I think you're supposed to do this a little bit better, but I just did it like this, honestly. And then I flipped them on the other side and sprayed them. When I was spraying the legs on the TV stand, it was just too much. Honestly, it got everywhere. So I just ended up spraying the entire bottom side of the TV stand because I was just so happy spraying it. I got so excited. I was having so much fun because I had never spray painted anything before. So I just went a bit overboard. And now I have a beautiful gold bottom TV stand. But it's just supposed to be the legs. But I mean, it looks fine, right? It's fine. At this point, I am like paint happy. Like I can't be stopped. I've started. I gotta see it through. I did get paint on the black part as well. And I looked up online that you can use fingernail polish removal to get it off. And it came right off. And I had to use a lot because I got a lot of paint everywhere. But I was kind of upset because if I knew that I could just use fingernail polish remover to get the extra paint off, I would have tried to spray paint the inside with the cylinders, but I didn't do it because I felt like I would damage it too much. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get some more remover. I'm gonna have to get some more remover to get that off the side, but it'll be fine. It's gonna dry for now. And I'm going to leave it out there for a couple of hours. And then once this was dry, I put the legs back on there. It was super easy. Like, so easy. And they look so nice. They look like they were already gold. And it's the same color gold as the tape. So, put that back on. And then put the screws back in there. And I just put it back on the TV. But here I am removing the additional gold off of the black. It was so much. And then when I was doing all of this, I realized that I had the TV on the wrong side. Now, if you look closely, you can see the little silver cylinders. It's just not looking right at all. Like, at all. So, anyways, I put the TV back. It's looking nice. I'm feeling it. I am really feeling this. Like, anyways, I had to go ahead and fix that, flip the TV stand around, and voila, here is the final result. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right, so anyways, that is my TV. I just love it so much. I just go on YouTube and put, you know, the screensaver like paintings on there, and that's how I get that look. And I'm happy for it because I didn't have to buy another TV because I didn't want to, but I think I'm feeling it. What do you guys think? Or what are some other DIYs that you guys are doing around your apartments? What are some other DIYs that you guys are doing around your apartments? Once again, I'm 5678. Make sure you hit that notification bell at the bottom so that you can know every time I upload a video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.